Right, this is a demo on using a cheap soldering iron that's got a plug on it. I'll just put that in and we'll see how long that takes to heat up first. Alright, that's plugged in. Just get some flux. So that's heating up, and you can see there's nothing happening at the moment. It's still taking its time. Let me get that in the shot so you can see. Actually, let me get it back there. Okay. Let me get some wire. Okay, now I'm just trying to show you what the difference is between using a good soldering iron and a cheap soldering iron. Let's cut that in half. Pretend that we want to join these two bits together. Right, the soldering iron's heated up, and right, so let's get some solder on there and see. Let me get that back in the shot. Right, so as you can see now it's heated up. What you can it's just barely. Let's clean that out so we get the nice clean tip. Right, here we go. So you see there how long. Right, as you can see, I'm just going to switch that off for a minute just to show you what's happened. If you look at the cable, it started to burn, so it's gone hard on the both sides. It's a bad shot on the camera, but as you can see. But now if I show you a different soldering iron that works very fast, like the pace. Let me just do that. Chip it up a bit. Both sides. Cut that piece in half. And just get that out there. Right, okay. Let me just snap them and clean them out and give them a little twist where I want them. Put them on there like that so it holds it. Right, the paste soldering iron basically will be in full temperature straight away. So if you look, there you go. Yeah. So now if I wanted to solder that, all I had to do is just touch and we're done. There you go. So the time it takes you to solder is much quicker, and you don't get the stiffnesses in the wire. You see there, it's still flexible on the sides, where on this one, if you look, the solder works its way through into the inside and gets hard. See that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's gone hard up to there. So the better the soldering iron, the more better soldering you're going to have, and less wires you're going to break. and the contacts, if you're using like something to solder onto something like that, be much quicker, and you will not burn anything and will not overheat anything either. So I thought I'd just share that with you guys. Cheers.